So first, go to, so first, I'm sorry. So first, go to Facebook. This is permanent. You will be able to increase the content or information you shared on Facebook as this page. Your messenger and all of your message will also be deleted. I will choose I choose this. Continue. And click continue. Before you delete, we may be able to help. We're sorry to see you leave. We'd love to know why you're deleting your page, as we may be able to help with common issues. You can also just continue to the lection. Tell us why. I spend too much time on Facebook. I have a privacy content. I don't feel safe on Facebook. This page was hacky. I don't find this page useful. Click continue. Click continue. Permanently delete this page. Permanently delete this page. When you delete this Facebook page, you will be able to request the content or information this page has shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your message will also be deleted. Before you delete, save post in your archive. Deleting your page will delete your posts and photos. If you're gather, keep your page, but remove setup posts and photos you no larger want to show on your page. You can move them to your archive. Excuse me po. Your archive is a place for you to save posts and photos that you don't want others to see but don't want to delete. You can access your archive anytime by visiting Activity Lab. Download your information. You have two photos, 17 posts, and more uploading to Facebook. You can download this content before it's permanently deleted along with your page. Click continue. Click continue. And enter password. Page deletion. Delete Princess Eunice blog's page and information. When you delete this Facebook page, you will be able to replace the content context content or information this page has shared on Facebook. Your messenger and all of your message will also be deleted. The following page will be deleted and you will be switched to Princess Eunice. You can reactivate within 30 days by logging in as Princess Eunice and going to account settings. Delete page. Delete page. Ah, okay na guys. Bye-bye guys. Tapos na ako mag-delete ng Facebook page. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Bye-bye guys.